Hi, my name is Amy Knupp and I teach in Waxhaw, North Carolina. I've been teaching for 17 and a half years and I'm about to read you one of my all-time favorite books. Stand back, said the elephant, I'm going to sneeze, by Patricia Thomas. Stand back, said the elephant, I'm going to sneeze. I hate to alarm you and I don't wish to harm you. My friends, I fear it's clear. Oh dear. You'd better stand back. I'm going to sneeze. Oh no, cried the buffalo. You're so big and you're so strong and your trunk is so long. Your sneezes send everyone flying along, bumping and thumping down pathway and trail, bouncing and jouncing, head over tail. Tumbling and bumbling, your sneeze is a gale or a hurricane. I hate to complain, but please don't sneeze. No, no, please don't sneeze, cried the monkeys in the trees. The last time you blew us right out of the trees. The branches began to bend and sway, and some of us landed so far away we didn't get back until the very next day. The leaves were all whirling and tumbling and swirling, and the flowers shook for hours. The last time you sneezed, even a cough would knock some of us off. So please, elephant, don't sneeze. I hope you've enjoyed this partial reading of Stand Back, said the elephant, I'm going to sneeze, by Patricia Thomas. And I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.